Hey, what's up everybody? It's Collin from TFDi. I'm the lead programmer on the 717-200 project, and I wanted to take a couple minutes here and go over some of the things we've been working on for the last couple weeks. Now, there's a lot more going on than you can see here in this overview. For example, the CDUs are getting some remodeling and retexturing work, so they look a little funky, and some of the displays are blacked out right now because we're still working on them. But the primary focus here is going to be the flaps, ailerons, elevators, and spoilerons we've been tuning. Now, I'll preface this whole little overview with this is still an in-development product. We are still working on tweaking some of the physical shapes of things and the animations and whatnot. Nothing here is final. This is more to show the depth of the flight control simulation and where we're at so far. So without further ado, I'll jump into what I think is the most complicated part of the 717's flight control system, with its flaps and moreover its custom flap angle selector for takeoff flaps. Basically what happens is this little thumb wheel here will move around and you can select a flap detent position for takeoff flaps. So what will happen is you do this, it'll move through its range of motion. Now that we've got it at about 14.5 degrees here, move it here. Now it's at 14.5. We've got our flap extension here, and this would be our takeoff flaps. Move it through its full range, you can see it extending there. And like the real one, we do have the go-around gate installed at 18 degrees. It can't, if you were to retract your flaps fully, it will stop at 18. You'll have to do it again so you can get past that gate. Now this is overridden if you have an axis input for your flaps, let's say. That's a whole different story. But when using keys to set your flaps, or F7, F6, F5, F8, so on, it has to stop there. Once the flaps are adjusted, you can pick different things here. There we go, extending to 8 degrees. We also spent a decent amount of time trying to get the leading edge flaps correct, including their extension and retraction time, which although will vary under certain conditions, we've got it based on standard right now. Well, the other interesting thing about the 717 is that its ailerons and elevators are actually aerodynamically positioned, which means without airflow, the ailerons themselves will not move. Only the tab on the tip of the wing there will. That deflects airflow and will push the elevator. We've got that simulated here where without air we can't move it. You do see the spoileron moving around as we're deflecting. Once again, this is unfinished, so if you see things moving a little weird or out of order, then that's why. Same is true with the elevator here. So that's where we're at so far. Thanks for watching, guys, and we hope to bring us some more information soon.